Welcome to Chemistry in Your Mouth. We are your hosts, Rachel Lycopene McGoldrick.
And I am Chelsea Sis-Knudsen.
And presenting our facts will be Lindsay Trans-Marching.
And on the tech crew, we have Kayla, Sui, Mia, Zoe.
We are bioavailable to you through the University of California, Davis, Chemistry 8A, Fall 2008.
And today we'll be making spaghetti while offering you the organic chemical significance of the food.
We will be using mushrooms, garlic, onions, zucchini, margarine, Crisco, noodles, tomato sauce, and a freshly cut tomato.
First, we must bring the water to a boil.
While the water is boiling, we can begin sauteing the mushrooms, garlic, zucchini, and tomatoes in a pan lined with Crisco.
Crisco is a trans fatty acid food. Trans fats can increase cholesterol levels, so we must be careful of how much we use to saute the ingredients.
A healthier alternative to using Crisco could be light vegetable oil, because Crisco can potentially cause high cholesterol.
Fact: since lipase can only break down cis configuration, trans fats can remain in the bloodstream for longer periods of time, leading to potential health risks.
In addition, trans fatty acids lower the levels of HDL cholesterol, which is the good kind of cholesterol.
Fact: in 2000, vegetable oil sales constituted $10.5 billion.
After we saute the fruits and vegetables, we can begin cooking the meat. After the meat is cooked, we can add the previously sauteed ingredients, and then it is time to add the tomato sauce.
When comparing tomato sauce and freshly cut tomatoes, we see the difference in the lycopene between the two. Lycopene naturally exists as a trans molecule. However, energy input like heat or processing can cause isomerization to occur.
Deisomerization of lycopene can change the molecule from a trans isomer to a cis isomer. The processing of converting tomatoes into tomato sauce can cause isomerization, which causes more cis isomers in the tomato sauce as opposed to the fresh tomatoes that we are sauteing.
Fact: lycopene produces the red pigment in tomatoes and other red fruits. It has been concluded that lycopene can be essential for health benefits because it is a micronutrient.
Cis isomers are more bioavailable than trans isomers in lycopene. Therefore, these processed tomatoes have a higher bioavailability than the fresh tomatoes. Having more bioavailability means that the nutrients from the tomatoes or tomato sauce are more available to be used when necessary in your body.
Now it is time to add the noodles to the boiling water.
Now we will begin our side dish, which is garlic bread, and you can use any type of bread.
We will add margarine, which we have already previously added, garlic salt, Parmesan cheese, and garlic powder. Then we will put the garlic bread in the broiler for about 5 minutes. The margarine used on the garlic bread is another example of a food containing trans fatty acids.
Fact: margarine and Crisco are made up of 22% fatty acids.
Even if we were to use an alternative form of margarine, there is still the potential of containing trans fatty acids due to hydrogenation. This is because at high temperatures, hydrogenation can occur. This leads to the conversion of cis bonds to trans bonds.
Now that all the food is cooked, we can put it together and enjoy.
This is good, and that's a fact.
There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and astatine, and radium, and gold, protactinium, and indium, and gallium. and iodine and thorium and thulium and thallium. There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium.